Hello guys, if you wanna add event to calendar, you have to of course open your calendar. Now you have to select the date. I will go for the 18. Click on this marker. Now I'm gonna insert the name of our event. It will be called Hard Reset, and of course you can set up here other stuff like reminders, repeat. You can add description, change theme, and of course add some auto icons. So we will add Santa, and yeah, this is how it looks. And to confirm all process, you have to click on the save. And as you can see, there is our event in our calendar on LG Q60. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.